What I'm trying to demonstrate in this video is how these strips will all be pointed towards the center of the green. There will be squares at the corners, but each piece has a grain. And you want to make sure the grain is facing the center. And I'm checking this turf right here to make sure that the grain is leaning away from me. So it's pointing towards the center of the green now. There's rows on the back of the turf you can see right here. See how the turf is different color when you flip it? When you're standing in the center of the green, you want the color to be dark because it's shiny when the grain is laying away from you. It's shiny. When the grain is pointing towards you, it's dark. So that's how you tell how to throw out your pieces and make sure they all match. Now this is a strip that's going to be laid in, and there'll be a mitered 45-degree cut at both ends. Your strips will likely be just over a foot wide, while our kits are only guaranteed to have 1 foot.